Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the details, don't forget that the link to purchase the RUIX OV502 M-ATX mini tower PC case at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. This sleek and compact gaming case is designed to maximize performance without taking up much desk space, making it a great choice for gamers and PC builders looking for a balance of style, functionality, and airflow. Measuring just 13.39 by 10.87 by 12.4 inches, the RUIX OV502 fits comfortably in small setups while still offering impressive compatibility. It supports M-ATX and ITX motherboards, GPUs up to 330mm long, and CPU coolers up to 160mm tall. Storage options are versatile, with space for both 3.5-inch and 2.5-inch drives, allowing you to customize your build according to your needs. One of the standout features is the pre-installed trio of 120mm Prism ARGB PWM fans. These not only provide excellent airflow to keep your components cool during intense gaming sessions, but also add vibrant, customizable lighting effects that enhance the aesthetic appeal of your rig. The 180 degrees panoramic tempered glass panels on two sides offer a clear and durable view of your components, protected by a plastic film to prevent scratches during installation. Ventilation is a strong point for this case, supporting up to 7 fans or 5 fans alongside a 240mm AIO liquid cooler. The inclusion of large magnetic dust filters on the top and bottom helps keep the interior clean, which is crucial for maintaining optimal performance and longevity of your hardware. Pros: compact size ideal for limited desk space. Excellent component compatibility including large GPUs and CPU coolers. Pre-installed ARGB fans with PWM control for efficient cooling and stunning visuals. Dual tempered glass panels for a premium look. Strong ventilation options with dust filters to maintain cleanliness. Cons: limited to M-ATX and ITX motherboards, so not suitable for larger ATX builds. Tempered glass panels, while beautiful, require careful handling to avoid damage. May require careful cable management due to compact interior space overall. The RUIX OV502 is a well-rounded mini tower case that balances aesthetics, airflow, and compatibility, making it a compelling choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts who want a compact yet powerful setup. Remember, the link to get this case at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment, so be sure to check it out before making your purchase. Thanks for watching, and happy building!